My name is Sean Casson. I'm the General Manager here at Paladin Radiators, and we've been working closely together with Trade Radiators for over 10 years now. We employ 21 members of staff here at our factory in Lincolnshire, and we have our own cast iron foundry. This ensures that we produce our sections to the highest quality available. Cast iron is a special and unique product with a vast array of styles, sizes and colours on offer. Each section can be built up and the radiator can be tailor-made to the customer's own preference. Anything from 3 sections up to 40 sections plus. We have our own paint laboratories, which allows us to produce virtually any colour. An understanding of what the customer requires is where our experience and close working relationship with Trade Radiators really excels. If you require something a little more unique, we can highlight our radiators with a contrasting metal finish. This really accentuates the detail of our range of scrolled radiators. We can also hand polish our radiators to a mirror finish. Prior to polishing, our sections are placed in a special tumbling machine for several hours. This ensures any rough finishes on the section are removed. Each one of our radiators is pressure tested to 6 bar pressure to ensure that it is watertight. It is then very carefully packaged and palletised, ready to be sent out. We can send out as many as up to 40 pallets a day, and our pallets are destined for many places in the UK. Also, we ship our radiators all over the world to countries as far as Australia. We are continuously working on the research and development of styles and finishes, and to this end, coupled with a 10-year guarantee, ensures that the future of Paladin Radiator is a bright one.